The cabin filter is located on the passenger side of the vehicle, under the glove box. Pull the tab on the housing cover up and slide the housing cover off. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. It may be easier to pinch in the sides of your new filter as you install it into the housing. Install your new AQ1264 filter into the housing, with its airflow indicating arrow pointing towards the front of the car. When the filter is adequately flushed with the housing, slide the housing cover into position and press to lock it into place.